Hey guys, and welcome back to the Tutorial Millennial channel. In this video, I will be showing you how you can delete your comments from other people's posts. So I'm going to do this tutorial on an iOS device. Somebody actually asked me in the comment section just a few hours ago, I think, on how to delete it if they're using iPhone. I'm just going to randomly comment something like that. I don't know what to comment. And then I want to delete it. Now in Android, I would just usually tap on the comment for a bit and then the option of deleting it will show up. But on your iPhone, you're just going to want to slide it to the right and you'll see this sort of trash icon and you're just going to want to press it. And there you go. One, comment deleted. You can undo it, but you have to be really quick to undo it. But that's how you can delete comments in Instagram when you are using your iPhone. And that is basically it. I know this tutorial was super simple, but I hope it was helpful. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also please subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that. If you have any questions, just leave it in the comment section down below, and I will try my best to answer them all. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!